girls and boys can cheer aloud the real and the real cast of Azharuddin. First reaction when you got to know that you've been cast in this biopic, because you know he's been a legend.
I didn't want to hear the script because obviously, I knew about him. I'd followed him through his cricketing career, and I said yes. And we then got down to kind of writing the script in a first draft, and we took it to him. The writer took it to him, and he said, "No, don't make this."
He really worked very hard for the film.
He used to throw at least we used to do 100, 120 balls every day. So my wrists used to ache. There was a bucket of ice kept on the side.
When you do real life characters, when you play them on screen, I think most of those people are somebody who's been a celebrity of some sort, who's been in the limelight. You know so much about them already, but there are things that you don't know and you find out, through the course of the films. With Noreen, I think she's a beautiful mystery because we all know that she was their sir's wife.
मैं हर मंडे को फास्ट रखता था सिर्फ आपसे मिलने के लिए.
I just want to ask how challenging it was to play this role apart from your other roles.
It's been one of the best experiences. I think I'd speak on behalf of everyone in this film, because very rarely do you get a chance to play someone, people who are alive, flesh and blood.
Was it okay for you to be tagged as a serial kisser?
That was a tag that was given by myself to me. That's something that I felt was a marketing thing at that point of time.
मुझे तुमसे प्यार है, मुझे तुमसे प्यार है.
इस फिल्म में काम करने से I've न्यू फाउंड लव फॉर द गेम. आई यूज्ड टू लव द गेम, लेकिन इसमें इस तरह की मेहनत करने के बाद I've really loved and enjoyed the nuances.
सबसे पहले तो बहुत इंट्रीगिंग था क्योंकि एक मिस्टीरियस रोल था मेरे लिए बिकॉज आई थिंक नन ऑफ अस नो मच अबाउट नॉरीन.
इतना आसान काम नहीं होता है रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर खेलना, और मेरा तो बहुत ही मुश्किल होता था, लेकिन प्राची को भी बहुत कम इन्फॉर्मेशन था नॉरीन के बारे में, तो मैं समझता हूँ मैंने बहुत मेहनत की.